Coach Ronnie Magsano.
In the first set, look at the attacks of FEU on an attack mode. Second placer in the last University Games in Dumaguete, showing us why they finished runner-up doon sa University of LaSalle in Bacolod. 13 attacks for them, only a single block. Very efficient service game, limited numbers of errors. But the difference in the first set, the attack mode of Moraida, Gonzalez, and of course, Rachel Dakis.
That was a very offensive-minded first set from this squad. Now we're starting off the second set, and of course, ang paborito ko pong kainan, J. Marks, the best grilled tuna in town at the second level of the Petron gas station. That is along C5 Road. J. Marks Tuna Grill. Yumang starting hostilities here in the second set. Dakis again penetrating the double block.
Blocking continues to be a problem. Sa defensive side ng Saint Benil, Coach Edwin Leyva demanding that their blockers stay closer, timing doon sa pag-block. Dahil ngayon, lusot na naman yung bola ng FEU.
Oh, Jose, one of the few times he has a service error. And if you're going to look at the lineup, the front line of St. Benil, these are tall girls, Coach Ronnie. No?
Yes.
If you're going to put things together,
mas malalaki pa ba sila?
Oh, mas malalaki sa FEU. Kung titignan mo, dapat blocking ang isa sa mga strengths nitong Benil. Oh, good save from Ordonez. Let's see if they can consummate this play. Yumang gets it through.
Moraida, miscommunication problem there. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, mabuti pa tirahin mo na kaysa pabayaan mong bumagsak. At least you have a chance of returning that attack. 2 for St. Benil. Better start for them here in set number 2.
Yes, the start that they should have after being down in the first. This one is off the block. Vivas just letting that ball go outside. That was off the block of Benil.
Yes, the blockers were there, pero kailangan nila maintindihan. Pwede mo namang i-angulo yung mga kamay mo para imbes na defense lang yung block mo, maging offensive block yung probably may score a point or 2 para sa team mo.
Sanchez hitting it straight into the net.
Impatience naman ang pumasok doon. Second ball, palo na. Pwede pang isang set up. 3 for FEU, 2 para dito sa Lady Blazers.
Gonzalez will be serving. That one's in. Ordonez able to save that set. That one hits the corner from Sanchez.
Well, I was about to say, pwede naman pang-atake yun. Instead, she pulled it back. Pero a smart decision on that on the part of St. Benil. One of the tallest players para sa Benil on deck to serve.
Velez had a service error earlier. This is safely inside. Oh, look at that. Morada. Off-speed hit, just enough to get it over the block.
And in the battle at the net, that's always been a perennial hot spot para dito sa St. Benil. And Morada continues to shine for FEU as Rachel Dakis named as one-time best setter in the UAP. On deck to serve for the Lady Tamarals.
Itong si Rachel Dakis, ang dami na ring fans nito dito. After the game, nakapila sa labas ng locker room yung mga papa-picture, papa-autograph.
Yun ang nakakatuwa, being an athlete.
Oo,
also,
naman.
Para makita mo yung mga kababaihan also establishing a big fan base.
That's right, that's right.
So hanggang Moraita yung pila.
Oo, mahaba.
Mula San Juan hanggang Moraita, hanggang Santolan po may pila para sa pirmahan kay Rachel Dakis.
Nung ako naglalaro, Coach Ronnie, meron din ako mga litratong ganyan, pinamimigay ko na.
Yan.
May kasama ng camera, wala pa rin kumukuha. May libre ng camera, wala pa rin kumukuha.
Nakakatuwa kasi may stand-uppers pa sila rito, no? Sila Clara Soriano, yung mga poster girls ng bawat schools. Pero sila ritong sariling mga kuha.
That's right.
Not only are they're very charming, pero makita mo magagaling sila talaga maglalaro. Kaya maraming humahanga sa kanila.
Rachel Dakis, of course, as Coach Ronnie put it, is the poster girl for, if not the Shakey's V-League entire, definitely for the FEU squad. And right now, her team is on top by 3, 6-3 here in the second. Look at Morada do that double jump for that quick hit.
And if I may say, hindi pa todo yun, no? Pinitik lang niya yun. Pinitik lang niya off the blockers. Simply in control of her power. And look at this rewind that we see. Morada, binitin pa. Ill time pa yung pag-set doon, yet because of the efficiency ni Micah Morada and the experience. Former Rookie of the Year ito. Dala-dala na rin niya yung utak na pwedeng ipakita for Coach Nestor Pamilar.
In that play, the maturity level is very evident, no? Kasi hindi niya na pinwersa eh. Alam niyang alanganin yung pasok niya. So, patama na lang. But Katulad niya, patama sa outside ang ginawa. Napahiya na naman tayo.
1-all. 7 for FEU, 4 for St. Bernard. Perhaps a little too cocky in that last play.
Yeah.
Morada, kulang na roon sa, kumbaga, killer's instinct in that last sequence. 7 for FEU, 4 for St. Bernard.
Yumang with a good serve. Jose will set this one up for Morada. And nakabawi itong si Morada in that play.
2 out of the last 3 points of FEU coming from Morada, getting into the technical timeout.
That's right. Look at this replay. Morada faking from the middle, but actually doing the running spike. And there she gets the point. It is FEU going into the first technical timeout here in the second set.